Hi, Eric Grant. We get a lot of questions about getting double-sided tape or Seamstick on clear vinyl window material when it's being fabricated. When you first get it on, it seems like it comes off pretty well, but if it's been on there for a day or so, it's hard to get off. In this Ask the Expert video, we're going to show you how to remove it the right way. Let's get started. When you make these panels, you're going to get some double-sided tape on the glass, and it doesn't come off very well. I can feel that it's not on this side, but if I run my fingers over it, yeah, it's on this side. So what I use, and it's recommended by Strataglass, is 3M Specialty Adhesive Remover, and I put it a little bit on what do you call this, microfiber towel that's clean, and it comes off instantly with this. Now, this is not what I recommend cleaning the window with, just getting the glue off. You can see the glue right there. Takes it right off and doesn't hurt the clear vinyl, the Strataglass or any highly polished glass. So we're going to do that anywhere that we see glue marks. This is appropriately done for Strataglass, Crystal Clear, OC, and Regalite brands. After cleaning the double-sided tape off with 3M Specialty Adhesive Remover, it's important to use IMAR Protective Cleaner immediately afterwards. To clean the fingerprints and all the dirt off of your glass after it's done, use IMAR Protective Cleaner and spray it onto the clear vinyl. And again, you must use a microfiber towel. This is a new one, and go over it with this. At first you'll see some streaks from the cleaner, but as you continue to polish it, it's going to be really nice and clean. And anywhere that I still see any kind of residue from the basting tape, I will use the 3M Specialty Adhesive Remover. So this is what you should do after you're done with your clear vinyl window enclosure panels. This is a procedure for newly fabricated clear vinyl window material. I'm Eric Grant from all of us here at Sailrite. Thanks for watching.